Hi, I'm Vanshika and I create food tech related content. Today, we're going to dive into the preparation of jelly. We'll talk about the steps involved and its importance, and what jelly actually is. It is a clear form fruit product made from fruit juice, sugar, acid, and pectin. Alright, so here's the flowchart of jelly preparation. First, we have fruit selection, then washing, followed by extraction of juice. After that, we add sugar, then add acid, and then add pectin. Next, we cook the mixture, test for the endpoint, and finally do the filling, sealing, and storage. So, the first step is fruit selection and washing. You want to choose fruit that are rich in pectin, like apples, guava, citrus fruit, grapes, or blackcurrants. Washing them thoroughly is really important because pectin rich fruits ensure proper jelly setting and washing removes any dirt or microbes. The next step is extraction of juice. You'll cut the fruits, boil them with water, and then strain the mixture through a muslin cloth to collect clear juice. This juice provides the base for your jelly, and that clarity ensures a smooth texture. Now, for the addition of sugar, you'll add sugar in the correct proportion, usually equal to the weight of juice. This step is important because it preserves, sweetens, and helps the gel formation with pectin. The next step is addition of acid. You can add citric acid or lemon juice. This is important because it adjusts pH, enhances the flavor, prevents crystallization, and helps the pectin to set properly. So the next step is addition of pectin. Add natural or commercial pectin if fruit juice is low in pectin. And its importance is it ensures proper gel formation, prevents runny jelly, and improves texture. So the next step is to heat the mixture of juice, sugar, acid, and pectin until it's thick and glossy. The importance is that this step evaporates water, activates the pectin, and ensures the preservation of your jelly. Now for the endpoint check. You'll test if the jelly has reached the right consistency. One method is the sheet test, where a drop of jelly from a spoon should form a sheet. Another is the temperature test, usually around 104 to 105 degrees Celsius. You can also use refractometer. The jelly is ready at about 65 to 68 degree Brix. The importance of this step is that it ensures proper gel formation and prevents the jelly from being runny or too hard. Now for the filling and sealing step. Fill the hot jelly into sterilized jars and seal them immediately. The importance is that it prevents contamination and ensures a long shelf life. For storage, you'll keep the sealed jars in cool dry place. The importance of this step is that it maintains the flavor and prevents spoilage. Let's talk about some common problems in jelly making and their remedies. Number one is failure to set, which is often due to low pectin and acid. The solution is to add pectin or lemon juice. Next is crystallization, which happens due to excess sugar. To fix this, adjust the sugar and ensure proper cooking. For cloudy jelly, it's usually because of poor straining. You should use a muslin cloth and avoid squeezing the pulp. Finally, if you have fermentation or mold issues, it's typically due to poor sealing. Make sure your jars are sterilized and sealed airtight. In conclusion, jelly preparation is a scientific process that balances fruit juice, sugar, acid, and pectin. Each step ensures clarity, texture, and preservation. A properly prepared jelly is clear, firm, tasty, and long lasting. And thank you so much for watching this video. And for more food related content, do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you in the next one.